Good morning everyone, it's Jamie Houston here from Duke Banjo Ukuleles, and I'm at the Rockson factory in Hanzhong in China, where we are making the season 3 of the Duke 10 banjolele. So yesterday I spent the day with my friend Wenja going over all the ones that were ready to be checked, and we had a great time checking over them and making sure everything was right. Anything that wasn't quite right, we're getting it put right, and there's filing going on and little finishing touches being put together, and the odd string got broken, so everyone's laughing at me because I tuned something wrong and then I snapped the string, and all the people working here can't speak a word of English, so it's a great time. We just have a lot of laughter and a lot of pointing, and it's been a really nice a day. And then we had an awesome evening last night at a restaurant. It's kind of a factory town. It's a very small town, but we walked into this restaurant and it was absolutely massive, and it was a hot pot restaurant, and you could only eat there in your own private rooms. So it's about 30 or 40 private rooms. It's absolutely huge, and there's the table has elements embedded into the glass on the top of the table, so you just get this pot full of peppers and chilies and chili oil and I don't know what else, and it was really scary to look at. If I get around to it, I'll post some photos of it, and everything was dunked in that and cooked, and there was meat, and there was duck intestines, and there was all sorts of really weird and wonderful things, but no, it was a fabulous experience, and I really enjoyed it. I went out with Jack, who owns the factory, and Wenja, and also some of Jack's senior staff. So that was really nice. Welcome to my first day here. Anyway, I just wanted to post this video quickly and say hi and let you know what's going on. And also just to say that this is my morning office at the moment. Look, you can probably see behind me, look at all those wonderful instruments. It's just this massive room filled with guitars, ukuleles, banjos, banjoleles, you name it. There's electric guitars, there's acoustic guitars, and there's basses down the end there, and there's also some really odd, various funny shaped, things that have obviously been prototypes, and there's even a lap steel here, and it's just a wonderful place to come. Alright, well, I'm going to get on with it for the day. I'll make another video and give you some more information probably tomorrow morning. Alright, bye bye.